think the pain point that creativity and imagination can solve?
All of it.
Okay.
Look, I think that we as human beings are not entirely healthy unless we're engaged in some kind of creativity. I can absolutely say that about my own life. I see that in the lives of the people who I know. This has become kind of my religion that I go around and preach, because we are the only species on the planet who has this instinct. And it's very strange to make something more beautiful than it needs to be, for no particular reason other than that it pleases us, that we want to, that we're compelled to, that an idea has obsessed us, that we can't stop toying around with it, that we want to take something, make it into something else that is beyond pragmatic, that is beyond necessary. We want to make it into something that is pleasingly beautiful and strange to our own imagination. We're the only species that does this.
Mm-hmm.
And when we don't do it, we fall into depression. And it's a collective human instinct to do it. Everybody does it. The proof of this is that every child instinctively does it, right? Like every child instinctively paints and draws and makes up songs and dances and stories. All of us did that when we were children. It's a reflex.